In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair old document in Microsoft Word. If you've got an older Word file that won't open properly, crashes, or shows garbled text, Word includes a built-in repair option that can often bring that document back to life. I'll walk you through exactly where it lives and how to use it, so you don't waste time hunting through menus. Start in Microsoft Word with any document or a blank one open. In the top left corner, click File to open the Backstage view. This is where Word keeps core commands like saving, printing, sharing, and, most importantly for today, opening files in a special way that enables repair. Taking this route is key because the regular double-click method skips the repair tools entirely. Next, click Open on the left panel. You'll see your recent files listed, plus options for local folders and cloud locations. We're heading to the standard file picker so we can access the repair command. Click Browse. This opens your system's file dialog, File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac OS, so you can point Word directly to the problem file. Don't rush and double-click the file here. That would try to open it normally. We need to stay in this window for one more moment to reach the repair choice. Now, select the file you want to fix by clicking it once. You should see its name highlighted. Look to the lower right corner of the window for the Open button. There's a small arrow or drop-down next to it. That little arrow is the secret to this process. Click the drop-down arrow next to Open. A short list appears with several ways to open your document. Choose Open and Repair. This tells Word to analyze the file as it opens, attempt to correct structural issues, and recover as much text, formatting, and embedded content as possible, all before displaying the document. Word will begin the repair. Depending on the file's size and condition, this can be quick or take a little longer. If the repair is successful, your document will open right away. Take a moment to scroll through and confirm that headings, images, tables, and formatting look right. Word may note that it found and fixed issues. That's normal. If something couldn't be recovered, you might see placeholders or simplified formatting, which is still a sign that the core content was rescued. That's all there is to it. Using Open and Repair gives you the best shot at reviving an old or damaged Word file without changing the original until you decide to save. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your documents working again.